A couple of months back, there was a huge ceremony here where they took out plain black granite deities out of the temple owing to the construction work, and they've been taken out for the moment. Also, there is a pujari who comes here every morning, or a priest as you would call him, who comes here and does the puja every morning. He's being paid a nominal amount of money, which again is arranged by the Orissa Association of Mysore. And in that ceremony they took out the deities from here. Once the temple reconstruction is over, the renovation is over, there will be a huge abhisheka, the reinstatement of the deity inside the temple, and puja will commence after that. I'm sure there will be multiple people who will be coming to this temple site quite often. Now, as you can see here, this side of the wall has been almost reconstructed. The boulders have been put in place, a lot of concrete has gone into the filling. However, as you can see, the main gopuram is missing from here. Now, to just inform all of you, Mr. Mohammed Jan, before the gopuram was taken out of the temple, he took a lot of close pictures, and he intends to recreate it identically to what it was 1,000 years back. There will be no difference, and given his credentials, I am sure that he'll do a good job of it. Let me now take you to the other side of the temple, where the construction work is actually going on. As you can see, there is a lot of these old boulders have been taken out, these old stone slabs have been taken out of the temple now. There's a lot of construction material here and there. And there are also people who are working here on the temple reconstruction project. I'm going to talk to a couple of them, and probably they might be able to explain it better, how difficult or how easy is the work for them.